My name's Rowan Norad. I'm an environmental science student from Halifax, Nova Scotia, and I'm here working as a research assistant for the summer as an internship.
My name is Alex. I'm a Dalhousie student studying earth sciences and biology, also a research assistant.
I'm Shannon Sterling, Associate Professor of Earth and Environmental Science.
I'm Elena Melito. I'm also a student here at Dal studying environmental science and sustainability, and I'm also a research assistant for Shannon's lab.
I'm Kristen Hart. I'm the lab and project manager for Shannon's research group here at Dal.
Sure. So I got interested in acidification. I mean, most people think acid rain was, those issues were solved in the 1980s and 1990s with the Clean Air Act amendments when they cut down coal emissions. But I was really surprised when I arrived here as a new professor and saw that the salmon populations were plummeting, and we were trying to figure out why. And we started looking at the chemistry of the waters and discovered that there were toxic levels of aluminum and that those levels were increasing, and that was meaning certain death for these salmon populations. So that really got me mobilized to try and do something. We strive for impact, right? We're trying to maintain biodiversity by making the rivers water quality meet health standards, because of the legacy of acid rain, they're not. So that's one impact, but we're also really interested in climate change, mitigation, and resiliency. So rivers that have been impacted by acid rain also leak carbon dioxide more than they should. So we're trying to make an impact there. And the only solution, we're also looking on solution-based and community-based action. So the only solution to fixing the chemistry is adding basically antacid to the river. So we're working with the Salmon Association and local First Nations on projects in Nova Scotia to fix those rivers and also to measure the impact on the carbon drawdown. Well, what motivates me and inspires me to do this work is like teaching these students and their future jobs. What's your future going to look like here in 10, 15 years with climate change, all these changes in the environment, and I try to make my teaching and the research really relevant and impactful, so to give students the tools to deal with the problems we can't really predict exactly what they will be in 10 years, but we know there's going to be a whole bunch of new ones with climate change. So that really motivates me, and always wanted to make an impact. That's why I got into the field of science. It was